All right, let's do a quick unboxing on this. My Jackery 300 died a while back. I've been meaning to replace it with something similar. I got a bigger battery, but it's always kind of nice to have the smaller ones around. I'm going to try to repower the Jackery, but somebody in a friends group had posted about this from Harbor Freight, and I decided for $200 I'd give it a try. So yeah, disclaimer, Harbor Freight did not give this to me. I paid for it with my own money. And this is item 70082. Whenever you go in there, whenever I went to pick it up, the website listed that Harbor Freight is having it. My local one, whenever I got there, I couldn't find it anywhere in the store. They had to get it out of the back. We get our solar panel connector cables. I don't have anything that has those connectors, so those will probably get cut off and rewired for something I do have. This is the 12 volt input that it has. Unlike the Jackery with the barrel connector, the coax connector, it uses a, I'm not sure what you'd call that connector, so don't get me lying. It does have a 12 volt for that, and that is a much beefier cable than the ones that came with the Jackery or the EBL. Whenever I was looking at it online, it does not use a wall wart power brick. That is all built into the unit, so you just have to have, this is a pretty standard AC cable that you can get nearly anywhere. So if that were to fail for whatever reason, you could probably get that at, Walmart. So, it may be a little heavier than the Jackery 300. I didn't weigh it, my old one. I didn't weigh this one. The handle, that knurled part is aluminum with this piece being plastic. One thing I like about it already over the Jackery is it's a cube instead of that oddball shape that they use on a lot of their products. I know the newer Pros are cube shaped, but the older ones were shaped like a Ford Taurus from the late 90s. Manual, no packing. Well, that's it. They do list a briefcase type solar panel is something you can buy from them. I already have the Jackery one I got on a sale years ago, so I will just have to get an adapter to properly plug into their outlets, which are here on the back. 120 watt max in, 100 watt max on AC, and then you got two AC ports, a DC port, two USB A's, and a USB C that claims to be 100 watt in or out. So you can apparently charge this with USB C as well. I'll have to check that later. So that's it for the unboxing for now. I'll play with it a little bit and see how I like it. It says to fully charge it before you use it, so I'll go ahead and do that. I'll go plug it up to the USB-C and see what kind of charge rates I get out of my rapid charger, and then I'll switch over to AC power. Till next time.